how do you feel about people documenting their journey? Do you think it's necessary? Because, and I ask that because I know people who don't document their journey and they still get jobs. So what are your thoughts on like the necessity of it?
Okay, so it's not a must-have. It's a nice to have, but it will open up doors. Part of me sharing content on Twitter is to bring opportunities to me, right? And I've noticed some opportunities. For example, this is one of them, right? You will post this and people will know about me, people who perhaps don't follow me, but are interested in your podcast. They'll watch this and say, okay, well, I also saw that guy on LinkedIn or on Twitter. Let me look him up. That bright yellow profile photo that I have will ring a bell
Yeah.
in their minds.
Representing Amazon on and off the clock.
It's not the same. It's not the same yellow. To be honest, you know how I picked it? I went online and I said, okay, what's the color that gets the most engagement on Twitter? And it said yellow. And so, yeah,
Oh man, damn!
Come through,
Thank you for
David.
that tip, Juan. I'm gonna have to set up.
Excuse me one second. Let me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to set up a photo shoot now.
You about to see all of our background pictures,
Right.
But that's good. That's actually interesting. A data driven person had the data to come up with the result to put his picture like that.
And it worked too. I mean, you see, he's here.
Yeah, it worked. It worked. But going back to the question, being online and documenting my journey, right? I'm perhaps just at a different stage of my journey than someone who's trying to break in, but I'm documenting my journey and I'm sharing my opinions on specific topics or on just tech and data analytics, job hunting. It has opened some doors. I've been reached out by some startups, like one startup CEO, couple of directors at big companies, just to connect, right? And I've connected with them on video, and it doesn't have to lead to anything immediately, but I'm in their radar, right? I wasn't prior to sharing, so it is opening some opportunities. It also takes my time, so I'm trading my time, or I'm investing my time to get opportunities and to connect with people, to network.
Yeah, I agree with that.